Hi, my name is William. Let's get started. Most people think investing is only for the rich. That you need thousands of dollars, a finance degree, or a Wall Street background just to get started. But that's not true. The reality is, you can start investing with just 100. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. No hype, no risky crypto plays, and no complicated jargon, just a simple step-by-step guide that works, whether you're in the US, the UK, or Canada. So if you're ready to take control of your money, keep watching. The first thing you need to do is get clear on your goal. Are you investing to retire early? To buy a house someday? To just stop living paycheck to paycheck? Whatever your goal is, knowing it helps you decide how much risk you're willing to take, and how long you're planning to leave your money invested. If you're in it for the long term, which I recommend, you can afford to take on a little more risk, because over time, the market tends to smooth out short-term ups and downs. Next, let's talk about where to invest. If you're in the US, some of the most beginner-friendly apps include Robinhood, Fidelity, Webull, and M1 Finance. These platforms offer commission-free trades and let you buy fractional shares, meaning you don't need to spend hundreds to own a piece of a stock like Tesla or Amazon. In the UK, good options include Freetrade, Trading 212, and Nutmeg. And in Canada, Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade are two of the most trusted platforms. All of these let you start with 100 or even less, and many have clean, easy-to-use interfaces designed for first-time investors. So now you've got your goal and your platform, the next question is, what do you actually invest in? This is where a lot of people get overwhelmed. But don't worry, I'll keep it simple. The best way to start is with ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Think of an ETF like a basket of different stocks. Instead of betting on one company, you're spreading your money across hundreds, maybe even thousands, all at once. That means less risk, more stability, and no need to obsess over daily stock charts. Here are some of the most popular ETFs to look into. VOO tracks the SP 500, which includes 500 of the biggest US companies. VTI covers the entire US stock market. VEQT, great for Canadian investors looking for global exposure. IUSA or VWRL, popular among UK investors. These are low-fee, diversified, and designed for long-term growth. And remember, most of these ETFs cost hundreds per share, but with fractional investing, you can buy just 10 or 20 worth. That's how you turn a small amount into something meaningful over time. Now let's talk about the most important part, consistency. One-time investing is good. But recurring investing, even small amounts, is where real wealth is built. If you invest just 100 a month and earn an average return of 8 annually, you'll have over $58,000 in 20 years. That's from only $24,000 of your own money, the rest is pure growth. This is the power of compound interest. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Now for a quick warning. Don't fall into the trap of chasing hype. There's always a flashy stock, a trending crypto, or a can't-miss opportunity going viral on TikTok. Most of them are risky. Many lose money. And more often than not, the people hyping them up are already getting paid behind the scenes. Stick to solid strategies. Diversify. And play the long game. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. It really helps more people find smart, simple investing advice like this. And if you want to learn how to build wealth step by step, without all the fluff, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I upload new videos every single week. Now I'd love to hear from you. What app are you thinking of using to get started? Or if you've already begun, what are you investing in? Drop a comment below, I read every one. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, you don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need the right mindset, and the first 100.